Hi, I'm Jim Anderton, Director of Content at Engineering.com. I'm with Bob Henry. He's a laser product manager for Epilog Laser. And Bob, we're standing in front of a unit here, which is a laser engraving, etching. It's a cutting, it's a multi-purpose machine, but it's unusual in that it has two laser sources.
Indeed, yeah. For a long time we've manufactured CO2-based lasers. The CO2 laser is really good for wood, acrylics, glass, textiles, cork, leather, rubber, many materials, but they're not very good at marking directly onto bare metal. Fiber lasers we introduced some years ago to accommodate the direct metal marking, and now we have a new product called the Dual Source, the Fusion M2 Dual Source laser system that incorporates both CO2 and fiber lasers. So our customers that have mixed media, acrylics, glass, wood, and also metal, they can do those processes now with one laser system.
The word upstairs is CO2 is dead, CO2 is gone, everything is gone, fiber, for the benefits you mentioned. Now this is a much more of a finesse application in this case. You're not interested in piercing 6 inches of cold rolled steel here.
That's correct, yeah. So the fiber lasers with our systems really are used for marking applications. To start cutting on metals, you really need to have much higher power. We integrate a little bit lower power, again, for the metal marking applications. Wood we can cut with our CO2 lasers, acrylics, textiles, items like that, but certainly here at FabTech you'll see some very large lasers, very high power for those metal cutting type of applications. That's not really a market that we serve, but we have a lot of customers that are using those types of equipment, creating the parts that they need, and then rather than use those high watt lasers to mark the components, they'll use our systems to then mark the final component. It's much more efficient, much more effective for them to do it that way.
And Bob, which markets will be the primary users of units like this?
Oh gosh, we sell these to so many different markets. It's really not limited to one particular market. We sell a lot to the sign industry, industrial accounts that are creating a component. They need to put a barcode, a serial number, they need to do some sort of branding on it. So they'll use those lasers in-house to do those types of things. So we sell to, again, to many, many markets all around the world. The machines are so versatile that we can serve all of those markets and many, many different types of materials as well.
Laser engraving and marking with CO2 and fiber sources in one unit at Epilog.